Here we are at Hot Heads Marine with a 2021 Sea-Doo RXPX. Good looking ski, well cared for 2021. Got a couple of them here. Brought them in, had a problem. Took on some water on this one. So bad that it drowned everything. The ski sank. It's actually a total loss. There's the insurance man over there. He was having trouble figuring out where the water came from getting into this ski, and I just had my lunch, so I came out after lunch and I said, what's going on, man? You can't find it? And anyway, I removed the plastic cover over here. Pretty simple. Take some torque screws, and there's a couple of 10mm nuts on the front ones you got to put a wrench on. And we opened the engine bay up, and I just took a quick look, and I got out of his way, and instantly, well, not instantly, but within a couple of minutes, he spotted this. That right there. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry. Look at that. What a mess. That's where the stabilizer goes on. And it's waddled the hole out, and the nut's missing, and that bolt's pulled out, and that's a massive, massive water leak. Okay? So it's kind of cool, you know, you put this Riva stuff on, and who knows who did it, the shop, the consumer, put these nice stabilizers on, want to cut the water and turn and look cool and go fast and just all that good stuff. But if you don't install it properly, you're going to total your ski, perhaps. See that? Not good. Tighten your parts, man. Put some sealer. Tighten your parts. Double check your work before you total your jet ski. Luckily, this consumer had insurance. Now, whether the insurance is going to cover this, since it's aftermarket part, you know, I don't want to say they're not, but they're probably not. So if you happen to add some parts like that to your watercraft, you might want to notify your insurance company or switch an insurance company that will cover with some aftermarket parts. Anyway, that's another jet ski tip from Hot Heads Marine on this hot Friday afternoon. Thanks for watching.